He didn't know it, but that included an engagement, a new job, the new car, and even more good luck when we asked Bill to reenact buying his scratchy ticket.
I just won 250,000. I'm not joking.
You're not, are you? Really?
I just won 250,000. Oh, please don't come with me.
You have too. Congratulations, Bill. How are you? Fantastic. Look. It's just...
I think I'll have another heart attack.
Bill had told the agency owners he'd keep buying scratchies until he won the cash.
Can you believe this man's luck?
No. I'm in shock. I'm still shaking.
For a man who last year lived in a caravan, the sudden windfall inspired dreams he wanted to share with his fiancée.
I won 250,000, honey. I have. We got that new house.